Technician 1 here. I just did the Sega video and it did not want to cooperate, but right now what I'm going to do is I've got a target about, I don't know, it was like 13 paces. I'm not really worried about technicalities right now. I'm trying to get a couple videos in before I gotta go to work. But I'm going to compare 345s today. I've got a Taurus PT 24/7 45 ACP. I'm going to do 2 shots out of each gun. I've got a Glock 21 Gen 4 45 auto, and I have a Rock Island Armory 45 1911 government copy. I'm gonna do, like I said, 2 shots out of each gun and just kind of compare the accuracy, ballistics, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna do the Taurus first. Alright. I'm going to try to hold right with the Taurus, hold left with the Glock, and hold low center with the Rock Island. I didn't even see where the second one went. We'll look at it in a minute. Glock. And then the Rock Island. Alright, let's take a look. Alright, so what we've got, this was from the Taurus, the first shot. I was going for here center on the second one, but hit up here. Glock 21, was aiming for here. First shot was up here, second one was here, and then the Rock Island was the closest with the first shot here, and the second shot down here. So all in all, I mean, you're hitting center mass if this is a person. So good self-defense, whatever, personal protection. I carry the Rock Island, so I haven't really got to shoot them a whole lot. I got 2 dip cans up on top of that thing.